Hi, this is A.J.B from A.J.B Counseling and Psychotherapy, a private practice located in Manhattan. You might have noticed that I'm dressed a little different than normal for these videos. That's because today I'm going to show you a yoga stretch that will help you loosen all these muscles that are often related to your difficulty with breathing. Once I noticed how many people watched that video I made on chest tightness and how to get rid of it, I decided that, hey, you know what? Let me hit on this topic. That seems to be a popular topic. So let me give you guys even more options that could help you in restoring a normal, comfortable way of breathing. The stretch we're going to be doing today is called the cat-cow stretch. It's going to hit all these muscles that are often associated with chest tightness. It's also associated with generalized anxiety. A lot of times people will feel a lot of tension in their stomachs as well as in their chest. So this stretch will help pull that open, pull all of it open. So hopefully over time that tension can dissipate. Now, I'm not a yoga instructor, but I think this stretch is simple enough that I can actually show it to you. Yep, no, not working. Just try to do the whole yoga thing. We're gonna need somebody that's like actually flexible. We're gonna need a legitimate yoga instructor. So what I'm gonna do for the rest of this video is show you an actual yoga instructor going through this exercise, and I'll talk you through it to the best of my knowledge. But ultimately, I'll still want you to check out this legitimate yoga instructor video. I'll leave the link in the description box. At the end of this video, though, you'll still get to see me struggling with yoga. Here's our flexible yoga instructor who's going to help us see very clearly the kind of positions we're trying to go for. This exercise has two positions mainly. It's the cow position and then the cat position. What you're seeing right now in front of you is the neutral position. In this exercise, all you're going to be doing is transitioning between the cow position and the cat position. Our yoga instructor begins the exercise by going into the cat position. Most yoga instructors I've seen will pause in the cat and cow position before transitioning back into the other position. What you're seeing now is the cow position. This is the part that gives you that nice, good stretch. As you saw this lady lift her head up, what you want to be doing is taking a nice full breath. This full breath, this inhalation will give you a fuller stretch. Now, for some reason, our yoga instructor in this video doesn't really take a pause whenever she assumes the cow or cat position, which seems unusual. Maybe she's doing it to just kind of demonstrate the full cycle of the exercise. I don't know, but I will leave you a link to a really good instructional video that I also found on YouTube. And you'll be walked through by an actual yoga teacher on how to properly do this exercise. So now, as promised, let's see what my attempt at teaching you this yoga pose looked like. Oh, all right. I had no idea how hard it would be to set up lighting for this shot. And the first step is to get your mind out of the gutter. Basically just arching. So I guess that's the cow position. Is that the cow position? You want to kind of create like this stretch like this. So yeah, I'm not even gonna use this footage because I am such a terrible yogi. I'm probably just gonna end up using clips from other yoga teachers. Oh my God. I hope you guys got something useful out of this video. I know I did. I know I learned that it's not as easy to be a yoga instructor as I thought. Sounds like it actually takes a whole lot of practice to be able to demonstrate and teach these stretches in a very effective way. In the next video, we're going to talk about yet another way that you can try to interrupt this constant chest tightness that you're walking around with. And the next method that I'm going to describe is about having correct posture. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.